They're hanging on to you while grabbing the hand of another man. When that hand is tight and secure, they let go of you.
Don't even feel bad. This could happen to anybody, and truthfully, it could have happened to me already as well. Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I want to talk to y'all about the term monkey branching and what exactly it is. You know, I know y'all probably don't seen it happen before, but they don't really call it that a lot. But long story short, monkey branching is somebody holding on to you for dear life until they find the next person that they want to be with. And usually this happens with women, because most men, they would try to ride it out to the very end, and then that's when a woman, you know, emotionally detached. You don't even see it coming. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that and everything, but I'm going to roll these 2 clips that speaks about it, and then I'm going to give my opinion. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button.
A wise man once said, if you really love someone, you have to set them free. And if they truly love you, they will come back. But it also might mean nobody else wanted them. So set them free again.
As y'all heard from the talk out the throat right here, there's a chance that 2 different scenarios could be playing out. So you need to know which one is what before you decide to get back with an ex-girlfriend or a woman that left you. So scenario 1 would be the only case that you ever take a woman back. If the 2 of y'all were into some heated argument, then y'all decided, you know what, this ain't gonna work, let's break up, and then, you know, down the line y'all get back together. That's, you know, because stuff happens. But if she's monkey branching, which is, you know, scenario number 2, her thinking that she holding on to you for dear life until she can swing across to the next guy and keep on going like George of the Jungle or something, then you don't want to take her back. What had happened in the first place is that she thought she found a king, but it was really a peasant, and now she, like, you know, trying to find somebody that could love her and hold on to her. Like, nah, let her go to the streets, man. She thought she could replace you, then let her find a replacement. Nah, because what's going to happen is that eventually she will replace you. She will find somebody better than you. Only reason she came back because she couldn't find nobody better than you in that moment. So let this type of woman go. Let's go to the next clip.
She thought she could do better. She thought she could do better. And they always monkey branch 100% of the time, which means this. They're hanging on to you while grabbing the hand of another man. When that hand is tight and secure, they let go of you. When they're done with him, they go to another man. That's monkey branching. Women monkey branch their entire life. And then they get tired of it. Then they finally settle down. Women settle all the time.
As you heard, he said women settle all the time. He said a lot of things in this video that I could kind of agree with, but I can't agree 100% with. So only thing I say I really couldn't agree with 100% is that he said always and never. Anytime I'm talking on the phone to somebody and I hear them talking about always, you know, 100% of the time, I always, you know, get in their butt about it, because nothing is set in stone other than, you know, death. You're going to, you know, check out eventually. So that, outside of that, nothing is set in stone. So I'm not going to say every woman is always 100% monkey branching, but like I said, you do need to know the symptoms and the signs of a person trying to monkey branch. If you ever hear a woman saying this right here, I could find a better version of you, or I could do better than you, she planning on monkey branching, or she's out there scouting like, you know, hyenas in the pride lands and stuff for your replacement. You don't want to date a woman that's sitting there trying to replace you, or a woman that's constantly causing arguments, or the things that y'all used to do that, you know, y'all was in love, and things that made the romance and, you know, had the spark and stuff flying. If she's not doing that and she's annoyed with your presence, more than likely she out there planning a monkey branch from one dude to the next. But, you know, you got dudes out here that will fall for this, and then they trying to fight for her love and get her back like a idiot. And what's going to happen is it's going to push you further and further away. It's going to push her into the arms of the next man. It's going to start, you know, molding her mind, telling her, yeah, I am making the right decision. More than likely she probably ain't, because she hasn't had time to heal and everything. So if a woman ever decides to monkey branch, if a woman ever tries to monkey branch on me, I'm chunking the deuces. Don't never come back. You gotta go, you know. So that should be the same mentality y'all have as well. So leave a like, comment, or subscribe. This your boy a.k.a. Labz, and I'm out.